as China places increasing importance on the development of the laser industry, viewing it as a key force driving the transformation and high-quality development of manufacturing. TEYU S&A Chiller rises to the occasion. With outstanding chiller products, TEYU S&A has been awarded the title of Single Champion Manufacturing Enterprise in Guangdong Province in China, and has been recognized as a 2024 Specialized and Sophisticated SME. This follows their 2023 recognition as a National Specialized and Sophisticated Little Giant Enterprise, further validating TEYU S&A's technological innovation and market competitiveness. In a special interview with Southern Daily, TEYU S&A showcased the high-precision, Ultrafast Laser Chiller CWUP-40, which breaks through technical barriers with a temperature stability of plus or minus 0.8 degrees centigrade, earning the Off-Week Laser Award 2024 and China Laser Rising Star Award 2024. Additionally, TEYU S&A Fiber Laser Chiller CWUP-40 received the 2024 Ringier Technology Innovation Award for its exceptional performance and innovative design. The CWUP-40, a high-power ultra-fast laser chiller, was awarded the 2024 Secret Light Award for technological innovation in laser accessory. Several TEYU S&A chillers have also passed North American UL and SGS international certifications. These honors not only reflect the outstanding quality of TEYU S&A chillers but also lay a solid foundation for the expansion in the global market.